The Department of Justice and Constitutional Development has given an update on the progress made on the Marikana-related litigations. For more on the story now, let's take you to our reporter Abongile Dumako, who is now in Pretoria. Abongile, thank you for your time. So, the Solicitor General, Mr. Pandelani, gave details as well as a status update on the Marikana litigations, going into greater detail about the different categories and addressing some of the delays that have been seen there. I want to find out from you, what are some of the points that stood out from today's press briefing?
Good morning, Mkoli. This is certainly a detailed briefing from Solicitor General talking to us here in Pretoria with regards to the latest when it comes to that Marikana incident that had happened just over 10 years ago. Certainly assuring the nation that about 48 cases that are before the Pretoria High Court right now will receive the urgent attention they deserve. That is committed that by the end of this month, which is August, everything would have been sorted out in as far as those litigation processes are concerned. Confident as well that with regards to the information that they were able to solicit from both involved parties, which will be the families of the victims, government, police, NPN, all those that are involved in the prosecution process would have been brought to the fore so that the whole process of litigation does come to a close. Certainly, he wouldn't go as far as giving us details as to how much thus far has the state has had to incur in as far as, costs are concerned, saying that that would have to be actually investigated by the GCIS, which is the head offices of the GCIS where we are coming from right now, saying that it actually is at millions of rand. The exact figure he wouldn't give us. This, of course, on the back of the fact that there's already been millions of rands that have been paid to some of the victims of those families who were involved in this incident. Certainly, it's already beyond 5-7 million rand as far as we understand. And of course, one other matter that has actually stood out was the fact that you'll recall that there are families who have come to the fore saying that President Cyril Ramaphosa must be held liable for what has happened in Marikana. He says that in the 48 matters that are actually before the High Court in Pretoria, that particular part of the whole story has not yet come up with regards to the fact that President Cyril Ramaphosa must be held accountable for that, saying that they are not seized with matters of personal nature. Those who are cited on the court papers will include your Department of Justice and Constitutional Development, will include the Department of Correctional Services, will include police and NPA. So saying that in as far as with the issues that are brought by some of the families with regards to whether or not President Cyril Ramaphosa must be held liable has not yet come to on the matters that they are actually saying that they will wrap up come month end August this year.
Abongile Dumako is our reporter out there. Thank you very much for your time and for that update indeed.